When the laundry basket is about half full, it's time to put on a load of laundry. Washer's on the bottom, dryer's on the top. Open the washer. Put all of the dirty cloths inside. Next, close up the door. Make sure all the cloths are actually in there. And open up this little drawer. The liquid soap goes right here. This one is for fabric softener, that's for bleach, and we're not going to be using either. Here is the soap. The little cup is attached, so we always have it where we need it when we need it. Unclip it from here and fill it up to the line that is indicated. To fill it, you just put the little cup under here and push this red button. All right, once you have the right amount, pour it in the little spot. Bring it back and clip it back on here. This way, if there's any left, it drips in the sink and it doesn't cause a mess on the counter. Push the little drawer in, turn the power on, turn the dial to normal, push and hold this button until you hear it start. You have to push for about 2 seconds. You don't need to push harder, you just need to push longer. Once the washer's done, open it up. Open up the dryer. You see it's got the little sticker that shows you which side. Check the lint screen. It's right here. Pull it up. All this lint needs to go into the garbage. So take it over to the garbage can and use your fingers to take all the lint out. Put the lint screen back in. It will only go in one way. And then take all of the clean clothes out and put them into the dryer. Close the dryer door. Push power. Make sure this is pointing straight up to the ceiling. It's normal. Push and hold for a few seconds to start. We don't use any fabric softener or dryer sheets, bounce, anything like that. And that's how you do laundry.